Clip to save, you will be amazed with Couponing Crystle.
Couponing Crystle here with a coupons.com video. Go print, okay? I see some new things on here I haven't seen before, like this 50-cent Pepsi Cola, mini cans. That most of the time I see as a rebate on Ibotta. I've had it as a rebate on Ibotta before. Oscar Mayer, I see that $2 Playtex, $1 Arm & Hammer. And then Snickers, can never have too many Snickers. Ziploc, Welch's Fruit Snacks, Kellogg's cereal. There's a Beneful, I don't remember seeing that one before. Nivea In Shower Body Lotion, Beneful. Scrub Bubbles, I think I had that, and the Pop-Tarts. Arm & Hammer again, because I want to say last time I had Arm & Hammer, it just made me print one time. Lenny and Larry's, what does that say? Lenny and Larry's cookies, never heard of that. Ziploc, Let Me Shine. Yep, Let Me Shine reset because it only let me print one. I went back looking for it, couldn't find it in the same day. Summer's Eve, gotta print that because that kept being a Ibotta rebate for me. Not sure about you guys, but it was an Ibotta rebate. I see some Aveeno. We're gonna always print dollar paper towels. Castlewood Reserve, I'm not sure what that is. I think it's just the angle of my computer, the reason why it's kind of doing that little flip-flop, but you all can still see what you need to see, okay? Starbucks, Infusium, that's funny. Mom used to use that on her hair. That stuff is good for your hair. L'Oreal, Shout, some deodorant, Land O'Lakes, yeah, some more cookies, Spam, some guacamole, Shady Brook Farms. Okay. So these other ones don't look like resets, or they're just coupons. I think I just didn't print. I just don't use the product. There you go. Well, I think that's probably it. Everything else I think was already on, okay? So remember, click to save and you will be amazed, lovely people. I hope your coupons reset for you. Let's go to the end just to see if they did. Because I had a lot that were printed. I had, hit my print max on, and I wanted to see if they're gonna let me print again. I haven't tried that Epic product. Wonder if it's any good. Yeah, I've hit my limit on these prints. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.
Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you'd like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.